what I'm saying? Like, I really want to break. And I can't have it. Like, even when I get it, it's not real. Like, we don't really get breaks as women or mothers. There's really no such thing as a break ever. And when we do get a break, it's not a break. We need a break for that break. Like, y'all don't understand. I'm got my lashes on. I'm nothing. I'm growing my hair out. I'm trying to work out. I'm trying to be nice. I'm trying to be loving. I'm trying to be a better person. I'm trying to be cleaner. I'm trying to be not lazy. Like, I'm trying and I'm tired. But I'm trying. And I'm only holding myself accountable for anything I do. Period. I cannot blame nobody but myself. So I found this new place. I'm on my way. I'm on my area. It's really fucking bomb. I'm so excited. Let's go in. Oh, hey. Let me work my camera. I actually backed it. It's kind of crazy. Hey, baby. Saturday night. Welcome back. I know it's been a while. I decided to take myself out on a date at a favorite Korean restaurant. I found it one day. I was searching up, I think, black noodles, and I found it, and I came here and I was like, wow, like, it's really like real small. And they make the noodles in front of you. Like, I showed you in the little clip. They make the noodles in front of you right now. So they actually make the noodles back here, so it's going to be actually like homemade noodles. Literally, it's just so fire. So what I'm about to order, of course, is going to be black noodles, and they make it from scratch. It's so cool. So you know, things like these little dishes like this. So, of course, my good old. I love me some goulash, onion, kimchi, and black bean sauce. I don't know why they give you the onion and stuff, but I always just take it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not gonna just not take it. Oh, thank you. And I got some fried dumplings. They got all these sauces over here. I think I'm gonna try this. Hopefully I can hear me. Like I said, I wish I brought mine. It's good. This is my first time trying the fried dumplings. I'm only eating their black beans here. These are sauces that they have on this side. I don't know. I think that's a chili sauce. Yes, I'm going to see what this is. I think this is probably a soy sauce. Yeah, it's a soy sauce. We're doing all these little places. Y'all know I don't have a lot to say, so I'm pushing as far as I can so you can see. Like a nice little dish. So I'm going to dip this in. That soy sauce is real salty. I'm trying this black bean sauce. It tastes better by itself. I'm gonna wait until good kimchi. Good kimchi. I know I love it. Oh no! I haven't used chopsticks in so long ago. Now let me put the water. Mom. Okay, got a big black bean in the aisle. So bomb. And remember, these noodles are made from scratch. That's a little better. I had my mess, y'all. Like, I'm gonna add this to it. It's like some spicy sauce. I mean, spicy flakes. I don't know, but I like it. I mixed that amount. Honestly, a lot of people say black noodles don't have no taste. It's good to me, damn it. Ooh, look at that. Alright, let's get one good bite. I think I'll never ever stop eating noodles. Never. Oh, straws are great. Ever. Wow. That is so good. This one is more gushy. Definitely bomb for the hotness. These noodles are so thick, like so bomb. So it's pork and this is pork. I should chew. Wow. Now remember, guys, this is all handmade here. Like these noodles. Let's go. So good. That chili sauce just sized it. How did they be drinking that jump so fast? Like, there's no way. I feel like I got a burp. Ooh. Ooh, that's good. Excuse me. Dip. Ooh, excuse me. Okay, let's try some noodle and I know I can never do these things correctly. Like my noodles just be going all over the place. And that's a good one. This wears up. That is so good. Like I can't stop eating it. That chili sauce just took it to another level. I know you're happy. Do my happy day. Ooh, that chili sauce, that was just enough for me. Sprite is real. I don't know, it's one of my drinking soda because I get full faster. Anyway, guys. Do I always tell you I'm tired? Because I'm tired. Like, look at me, I ain't got no lashes. No, seriously, I just feel like I have been non-stop burping and running. Like, I'm just like, I'm tired. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really want a break. And I can't have it. Like, even when I get it, it's not real. Like, we don't really get breaks as women or mothers. There's really no such thing as a break ever. And when we do get a break, it's not a break. We need a break for that break. Like, y'all don't understand. Like, it's just a non-ending thing. You know what I'm saying? Let me read this one. It's non-ending. Like, if you don't have no kids, I'm not going to say don't have kids, because I always tell people don't have kids, but you know, kids are really wonderful, honestly. I mean, you know, being out that negative like that, I was saying, and that, like, you know, I'm still working on my anger, but, you know, looking at them more like, you know, these are people that you have to let go. It's not a bad thing to have kids, but don't have kids if you're really not ready. Like, I'm talking about mentally, physically, emotionally. It takes so much out of one person just to raise one child. You know what I'm saying? And to the people with multiples like me, baby, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's very draining, for real. So that's why I say, don't have kids unless you're really ready to have kids in all aspects, no matter what the age. Excuse me. No matter what the age, like, if you want to be a parent that bad, you'll become one, trust me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Just, if you're not a parent, congratulations. Oh, it's so good. I be wanting to record, right? But like, it's just like such a process now to record. Like, look at me. I feel like this is the ball shot I ever got me in a while. You know what I'm saying? But I felt like recording today. Like, oh, you know what? I'm gonna record today. I'm gonna take it and be by myself. You know what I'm saying? And talk to y'all. This is so wicked. So they got two of these type of bowls you can get it. So this one is more saucy. This is why I asked, because I was like, it's two black men. This one's like $7.95 and the other one's like $9.95. And I'm like, what's the difference? It's the exact same thing. The first one, number one, is more of the black bean sauce. You know what I'm saying? Same amount of noodles and everything, but the other one is less of the black bean sauce and more of the onion. So you get more of an onion. Like, this one has the onions, but I've had both. This one's my favorite because I can taste more of the sauce noodles and the pork. The other one is too much onions for me. You know, got onions just sitting on my plate. So it's like, you know, I'm good on the onions. Definitely bomb. So yeah, I know. Excuse me. Y'all know that because I had to chew with my mouth closed, because I always be telling my kids don't chew with their mouth open. So it's like, I gotta show them I'm chewing with my mouth closed. I'm back in the gym. I'm not consistent every single day, but I'm definitely going within my week at least 4 times out the week. So that's pretty good for me. I'm still eating a little crazy, but I'm trying. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying. It's not hard out here. So to anybody that feels like, excuse excuse me, you can't do it. I feel you. Maybe you can't for that day, but excuse me, try the next day, you know? Excuse me. Keep trying. I always tell y'all that, just don't stop trying. And that's why I was like, let me get up. Even to the point my husband was like, you ain't been doing a mukbang in a minute. I'm like, I know, because I'm never alone anymore. Like, someone's always around me. And sometimes I miss that space of not being around nobody. And it's like, now I gotta go out of my house 2 spots to go be by myself, just with random people. I think because I became an editor of my own videos now, it's like, it doesn't discourage me to make videos. It's just, I know now it's on me for my video to get done. You know what I'm saying? It's like, damn, another thing on me. You can always get extra noodles. I think that's good. For me, at least. That shit is so flavorful. And it's saucy. Trust me, they really do give you more sauce. Guys, like, I mean, sure, I really do. Yeah, I know y'all can always catch me on my other platforms. Even with Trauma Tuesday. Like, Trauma Tuesdays is now it's not another job, but it's like another commitment. And I always commit to things. Like, I just keep giving myself to everybody. Like, I'm a whore. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not a whore. But I personally love Trauma Tuesdays. Like I tell y'all, I think I talk about this in every of my YouTubes now. It's just that it's really a great space where people are just being vulnerable and speaking. You know what I'm saying? That's very hard, but it's definitely needed. Excuse me. I always tell y'all, like, I don't know if y'all ever catch it or ever come through, but it's like almost like a therapy session. A week, you get therapy once a week. I could really take this home and get more noodles to go with me. I don't know if I remember, but I told y'all that when I went to therapy and they did the consultation first and you have to do like a diagnosis, I am diagnosed with moderate or severe depression, to the point where they wanted to give me pills for it. And I was like, I'm good. But now, like, I feel when that depression comes. Like, I feel it also definitely goes on the weather. So sometimes the weather can make a big thing. But lately I've been pushing through it. Like, I make sure to get up and clean up every day. Even if it's not right in the morning, I try to clean up something every day, because that was always my plan. Clean up something every day. You know, be nice to the kids every day, or try to be nice to the kids every day. You know, work out. And it's like, God, I can still feel it coming. Like, I can still feel not wanting to do nothing. So I get in my body. It's crazy. Like, I don't want to talk to nobody. I don't want to do anything. Like, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Yeah, leave me alone. I'm tired. I won't get no breaks. I won't get no breaks. So, happy International Women's Month. Is that what it is? Oh, Women's History Month? March is for us. And let's beat the fuck out of it. Like that man is beating the fuck out of those girls in the background. 10 out of 10. Ooh, excuse me. Yeah. 10 out of 10 like always. Like I love this place. I'm so happy I found this place. Because you would never think it'd be that bomb in here. So I'll try to come. I might have, come on, see, I swear. How long do I have something to do? How long? Oh! I was trying to get the bell back. That was it, guys. I'm real raw right now. Like I said, I'm got no lashes on. Don't let them. I'm growing my hair out. I'm trying to work out. I'm trying to be nice. I'm trying to be loving. I'm trying to be a better person. I'm trying to be cleaner. I'm trying to be not lazy. Like, I'm trying. I'm tired. But I'm trying. And I'm only holding myself accountable for anything I do. Period. I cannot blame nobody but myself. So, since we're on the not blaming nobody else, if I'm not making anything, it's because I'm not doing it. I really want to though. Don't get it twisted. I'm just tired, bro. I need a break. I want a break. And on that break, I need a break. And from that break, I need a break. You know what I'm saying? I need breaks. I need breaks. I need a break. I need a break. Hold on, there's my bell. Look at the bell. Thank you, honey. So that's not bad. So my total, $18. Give me a little tippy tip. Okay, go $20 a day for myself, $25 a day for myself. Now, if that's in your budget, do it. If that's in my budget, no, because I'm not supposed to spend no money in the first place. But like I said, I need a break. My break needs a break, and my break needs a break, and my fan needs a break. Talking about breaks. As always, thanks for tuning in, guys. It's been a good day. Maybe I'll catch you sooner than later, you know?